Creating a new post on a WordPress website is a straightforward process. For online businesses, it's essential to keep the blog up to date with fresh and new posts. This can be done easily through the WordPress dashboard. To start, click on Posts in the left menu, where you'll see all existing posts. From there, click on Add New Post, either in the left menu or at the top. This will bring you to the editor, where you can name your post and add blocks if you have the editor. You can then design your post as desired and click Publish at the top right. If you don't want to create a post from scratch every time, you can copy a previous post by installing a duplicate post plugin. To do this, click on Plugins and then Add New Plugin and search for Duplicate. There are several plugins available, but a popular one is Duplicate Page, which has 3 million active installations and a 5-star rating. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, you can duplicate a post by hovering over it and clicking Duplicate. This allows you to create a new post based on an existing one, saving time and effort. Overall, creating a new post on a WordPress website is a simple process that can be done in a few steps. By using the WordPress dashboard and taking advantage of plugins like Duplicate Post, you can easily keep your blog up to date with fresh and new content.